In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize PDF pages in PDF XChange Editor. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the very top here and you want to click on Organize, and from here you can click on Resize. So if you want to resize PDF pages, here you first have to select your page range. So for example, over here I have all pages. You can just do the current page or a custom range. That's completely up to you. I'm just going to do all right now. Now over here you can of course set the different paper sizes, and then you have different content options. But if you actually just want to resize these PDFs, you can just come over here and kind of drag this around using these borders over here, and that way you'll be able to resize it. And whenever you're done, of course, go to the second basically page, third one over here, and you can see how these are looking. You can move them around, etc. And whenever you're happy, this is going to look a bit funky right now, but we're just going to do it like this so we can see it actually works. You have to click on OK. I'm going to do yes over here, and there we go. As you can see, the PDF has been resized, the pages have been resized, and now I have the resized version. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.